Today I want to share a common real-life scenario, which is when we make a right-angle turn and the passage itself is not narrow, but there is a parked car at the corner. You will find that when turning in, the front of your car can enter the passage, but as you move forward, the rear of your car will scrape the parked vehicle. In such a situation, we should try not to focus too extremely on the distance between the front and rear of the car. It is best to adjust and create space on both the left and right sides. So how exactly should this be done? First, when encountering this situation, straighten the steering wheel directly and then push the car straight back as far as the rear can go. After revering all the way back, turn the steering wheel to the right and move forward, keeping some space at the front. Then turn the steering wheel to the left and continue moving deeper into the passage. Keep doing this until the space at the front and rear is no longer adequate, then straighten the steering wheel again and push the car straight back all the way once more. Each time you adjust, the car body becomes more parallel to the passage, increasing the left and right space around the vehicle. To be safer, you can make multiple adjustments. For example, now the front and rear almost fit through, but if you're unsure about the distance between the right front of the car and the parked vehicle, you can push the car back all the way again, turn right and move forward, then turn left and move forward. This way, the left and right space around the car becomes larger, making it safer to pass through.